Now, Black Friday is here, and instead of endless scrolling through fake deals, I've gathered 7 products that are actually worth your money. From ECOVACS' newest robot vacuums to power stations, air purifiers, and creator tech. These are the best deals you can grab right now. Let's start with the cleaning kings leading the pack. Alright, let's talk about the star of the show, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone. This is ECOVACS' most advanced robot vacuum ever, and I don't say that lightly. Compared to last year's flagship, the X9 Pro, the X11 is a major leap forward in both performance and design. It features faster power boost charging, gaining 6% battery in just 3 minutes during mop cycling, letting it clean up to 1,000 meters squared non-stop. That's like cleaning your entire home without waiting for a full charge. Then there's the Osmo Roller 2.0, scrubbing at 200 RPM with continuous freshwater infusion. Combine that with the True Edge 3.0, which extends 1.5 centimeters versus the X9's at 1 centimeter. And it gets even closer to walls, corners, or even near perfect edge cleaning. Now under the hood, ECOVACS added blast suction as well, 18 liters per second airflow, and 19,500 PA of vacuum pressure. That's about 140% improvement in fine dust pickup over the X9 Pro. And one of my favorite upgrades here is the bagless OmniCyclone station. It uses a cyclonic separation instead of a disposable dust bag, cutting down on waste and long-term costs while washing the mops with 75 degrees Celsius hot water and drying them automatically. Now, if you want a truly hands-free, zero-maintenance cleaning experience, this is the one to beat. And during Black Friday, ECOVACS is running a special deal. The X11 OmniCyclone, originally at $1,499 and now under $1,000, making it the best price flagship robot vacuum of 2025. With GAN fast charging, a bagless station, and a top-tier hygiene, this ECOVACS 2025 flagship is powerful, efficient, and built for uninterrupted cleaning. Now let's talk about the ECOVACS DEEBOT X9 Pro. This is last year's flagship and still one of the most capable robot vacuums out there. This features strong suction, dual rotating mops, and reliable obstacle detection with IV3D tech. In long-term use, the X9 Pro's cleaning consistency has been excellent, from mopping to edge coverage. The only minor drawbacks here is being the need for a full recharge mid-cleaning and use of disposable dust bags in its base. So here's the bottom line. If you want an ultimate hands-free experience, go with the X11. But if you want a flagship performance at a lower price, the X9 Pro is your best deal this season. The X9 Pro is actually recognized as the best overall mid-year winner by Vacuum Wars. It is now $699.99. It has the lowest ever price during Black Friday. Now, it's the perfect choice if you want the experience of ECOVACS advanced roller mopping and the intelligent dry-wet separation without breaking the $700 mark. Now, every smart home needs reliable power. The DJI Power 2000 nails it. With the 2,000 watt-hour lithium iron phosphate batteries, having a 4,400 watt peak output, and the ultra-fast charging. It's built for everything from power outage to outdoor shoots. Now, I love how it's also whisper quiet and uses GAN fast charging and lasts over 4,000 cycles. That's years of performance. Now, during Black Friday, expect 20 to 40% off whether you're powering your DEEBOTs or your entire off-grid setup or even your RV. This one is the most dependable power stations in 2025. Now next is something that completes any clean home. The Dream PM20 air purifier. It uses high-precision laser sensors to monitor air quality in real time. automatically adjusting its fan speed based on detected particles. I also love how it's quiet, super efficient, and great for pet owners or city apartments. You can expect up to 30% off this Black Friday. Perfect companion for your ECOVACS robots. Now, the ECOVACS WINBOT W2 Pro Omni takes smart cleaning to a whole new level, literally. It brings the same hands-free intelligence you get from robot vacuums to your windows. Once attached, it sticks securely using strong suction. It maps its path as well and adjusts pressure automatically for a streak-free shine. It's perfect for high windows and balcony doors, no ladders, and no risk for you. And this Black Friday might be the best time to get one. The WINBOT W2 Pro Omni normally is $699 and is now $399.99 and is a massive 43% off from November 15 from December 1st. It has full auto cleaning, secure suction, human-like precision, and smart safety. This is the ultimate hands-free window cleaning robot at its biggest discount ever. Now, if you work from home or maybe creating at home like me, the EMEET Piko Plus is an easy upgrade. It delivers crisp 4K video with dual microphones. It is also excellent in low light performance and simple plug-and-play setup. No extra drivers needed. Now, this is usually around $200, and with holiday sales, you'll likely see it closer to $150. Great for hybrid work, streaming, or anyone upgrading their webcam setup. Now, for creators and makers, maybe you're like an Etsy seller, the Bambu Lab A1 combo and the Geekom A5 mini PC make the ultimate duo. The A1 combo's multicolor AMS system is fast, super accurate as well, and surprisingly quiet. It's great for hobbyists or professionals printing detailed parts. Now you can sell, in Etsy or everywhere else. Meanwhile, the Geekom A5 is small but mighty, perfect for powering your smart home setup, video editing, or as a compact workstation. Both have strong bundles this Black Friday. Great value for creators and tech lovers. So, whether you're cleaning smarter, powering your space, or creating from home, these are the Black Friday deals worth jumping on. All products links and live discounts are gonna be in the description below. I also update it daily. Don't waste your time on fake deals, okay? These are the ones that truly make a difference in your home and your workflow. Now, if I was able to help you, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you want to see more reviews, a smart home, or just anything tech. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!